What if you could hit 50% of your targets in the last 80 days of 2020 just by executing a 80-day action plan that I have prepared for you? Now, good news guys, Final Sprint 2020 is finally here. Final Sprint 2020 is a 2-day online seminar that will be held on 15th and 16th of October to show you how to hit 50% of your target in the last 80 days of 2020. Now, before we move on, I just want to give you a quick introduction of myself. My name is Dr. Sanjay Tolani and I'm also the family leader of Sanjay Mentoring Family, which helps financial advisors like yourself to become successful financial planners. Having been in the industry for 18 years, I have a unique view of what works and what doesn't in the financial planning world. And it is my hope that I can pass this experience to new generation of future financial advisors, so that they don't have to go through the same struggles as I have. Due to the recent pandemic, many of us are actually way off our sales target, and what even makes this year worse is that Q4 strategies that actually worked in 2019 might not even be effective this year. I have been receiving many worried messages from advisors telling me that they are lost and have not been closing relationships they have been building in 2020 into profit consistently. This is why I decided to organize Final Sprint 2020 to show you my new set of financial strategies I've designed for Q4 2020. Here's what you can expect in the 2-day seminar. In the first day of Final Sprint 2020, we will be re-looking at your sales foundation and strategies. We will kickstart day 1 learning about the 2020 new Q4 sales secrets. I will reveal my personal new prospecting, presentation, objection, closing, and upselling strategies that you specifically can apply for the last quarter of 2020 only. I will run through 12 final sprint shortcuts that have contributed to my 100 MDRT achievement in 2019. These are 12 tested and proven sales strategies that I've applied in 2020, and you can copy and paste to see immediate sales results. Finally, we will end off day 1 with 3 policy review strategies to help you get more sales from your existing clients. The second day of the Final Sprint 2020 will even be more exciting, as we will unravel more practical strategies in our industry. We will start off the day by listening to the Final Sprint strategies of top advisors in the mentoring family. These are real life strategies that ordinary advisors are executing to achieve extraordinary results. These advisors will show you how they 2x to 5x their results from the previous years. Seeing is believing. I'll also be showing you case studies of how some advisors actually hit 50% of their goals in the last quarter, and hopefully you can apply these strategies in your Q4 as well. We will finally end off our Final Sprint 2020 session with an 80-day action plan. I will hold you by the hand and show you exactly what to do step by step in the last 80 days of 2020. Remember, if you don't hit your sales target this year, not only will you be playing catch up while everyone else celebrates, you will end up struggling even more at the start of next year. It took me 18 years to refine my Q4 strategies, and I don't want you to go through the same struggles and mistakes that I have experienced. Let me show you how you can leverage on my experience and strategy to hit your sales targets and improve your income in 2020. For the new advisor, you will walk out of the 2-day seminar gaining clarity and a step-by-step plan on what to do for Q4. For experienced advisors, you will explore a whole new set of strategies that could exponentially improve your sales results. You will understand what are those small changes you have to refine in your current strategies for you to see exponential breakthroughs and results. Remember, Final Sprint 2020 is here to help you regain your confidence for Q4 and improve your income. This session will be broadcasted live and will not be recorded because secrets are only revealed once. Now, we all know almost all the sessions are selling out instantly, so please grab your tickets early as we have limited seats. If you're ready to give yourself an unfair advantage in this upcoming Q4 of 2020, click on the link below and I'll see you at the Final Sprint 2020. Let's make 2020 our best year.